Well, today we are gonna talk about Cubot Max 5. It's gonna be a story of a powerhouse. Cubot Max 5 has a budget flagship type of specification but comes with a very good budget-friendly price tag. And my girlfriend Kia, she is in love with this Cubot Max 5. Okay, before I start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. And yeah, there are some extra discounts that I have managed to get for you. So I hope that you will watch through the video to know more about the discount and everything.
I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not.
Cubot Max 5 boasts a sleek and cyberpunk design, characterized by sharp, angular lines and a futuristic aesthetic. Its slim profile and premium materials give it a sophisticated look that stands out in any setting. The device is designed with attention to detail, featuring a flat display and a polished finish that enhances its overall appeal. Max 5 feels solid and well constructed, offering both elegance and durability. It's perfect for those who want a stylish phone that can handle the demands of everyday life. Whether we are in a professional environment or enjoying leisure activities, the Cubot Max 5 seamlessly integrates into our lifestyle, combining form and function effortlessly. Cubot Max 5 features a massive 6.95-inch IPS display that delivers stunning visuals with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth interactions, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel fluid and responsive. This expansive screen is perfect for consuming content, offering vibrant colors and sharp details that enhance our viewing experience. Adding to the display's excellence is its superior responsiveness and clarity, ensuring we enjoy immersive content and seamless performance. It's not just a display, it's gateway to vivid, lifelike visuals that captivate our senses.
Give me a clear night under.
Well, here comes the most important part of Cubot Max 5. It's a gaming-centric smartphone, and without any hesitation, I can tag this smartphone as the best budget gaming smartphone.
To a place afar, where the palm trees dance.
Gaming on the Cubot Max 5 is a thrill, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor and 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It handles demanding games like Genshin Impact smoothly, providing an immersive and uninterrupted gaming experience. The high Antutu benchmark score and effective thermal management ensures the phone stays cool, even during intense gaming sessions. The liquid cooling technology effectively dissipates heat, allowing us to enjoy marathon gaming without performance drops. The 144Hz refresh rate of the display further enhances the gaming experience, offering ultra-smooth visuals and responsive touch controls. The combination of a high refresh rate, powerful processor, and ample RAM ensures that we can play the latest games at high settings without any lag.
This place where
Cubot Max 5 is equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie sensor that ensures we capture stunning self-portraits with remarkable detail and natural color reproduction. The selfie sensor really performs way better than its competitors. It reproduces beautiful and clear photos every time. The advanced AI algorithms enhance facial features, ensuring that each selfie is not only clear but also flattering. I always care about portrait photography, and portrait shots with the Cubot Max 5 are exceptional, producing images with accurate skin tone, vibrant colors, and a pleasing background blur. The camera's ability to highlight subjects against a defocused backdrop makes every portrait look professional and engaging. The AI-powered portrait mode intelligently adjusts the depth of field and lighting conditions to create studio-quality portraits.
just a big
In low light conditions, Cubot Max 5 excels with its advanced night mode. This mode enhances details, balances exposure, and reduces noise, allowing us to take clear and rich photos even in challenging lighting environments. The night mode uses multi-frame processing to combine several exposures into one, bringing out the best in night scenes. I'm surprised to see that Cubot Max 5 delivers really very good night mode photos. All the night photos have exceptional clarity and depth. Well, when it comes to videography, the phone supports crisp 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. Its stabilization technology ensures smooth and professional looking footage, making it ideal for capturing high quality videos during our adventures or everyday moments. The enhanced video capabilities include AI scene detection, which adjusts settings in real time to optimize video quality. Whether we are recording a fast paced action scene or a serene landscape, the Cubot Max 5 always delivers top notch videos. The stereo speakers on the Cubot Max 5 deliver clear and immersive audio, ensuring an enjoyable listening experience whether we are on a call or playing music. The sound quality remains consistent and rich, even in noisy environments. The dual speakers provide a balanced sound stage, enhancing the overall audio experience for music, movies, and gaming.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty lighter that she miss. Just come for you.
For security, the Cubot Max 5 offers a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. This feature ensures our data is protected while providing quick and convenient access to our device. The fingerprint sensor is highly responsive and accurately detects our fingerprint for instant unlocking. Additionally, the phone supports facial recognition, providing an alternative and equally secure method for unlocking the device. Running on Android 14, Cubot Max 5 delivers the latest features and security enhancements. The user interface is smooth and intuitive, providing a seamless experience across all applications. I'm really surprised to see that the engineers of Cubot have managed to put a 5100 mAh battery into a sleek and petite body of Cubot Max 5. Well, me and my girlfriend Thea, we both have been using this Cubot Max 5 for the past couple of weeks. I think Cubot Max 5 has enough power to last through 2 days with up to 8 hours of screen on time. That's really massive. And once the battery gets fully drained, well, as it supports 33-watt wire charging, the phone gets recharged very quickly. Cubot Max 5 is packed with special features including Bluetooth 5.3, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, dual noise cancellation microphones, and Type-C to HDMI support. It also boasts dual-band GPS for precise navigation. The AI processor NPU 580 provides a lot of useful functions. Moreover, Cubot Max 5 is equipped with chip-level blue light protection. So, it not only performs exceptionally well, but also restricts harmful blue light. So yeah, we can use this Cubot Max 5 without being worried. Cubot Max 5 is a versatile powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking performance, style, and reliability in a smartphone. As I've mentioned earlier, Cubot Max 5 is the most value-for-money 5G gaming smartphone. Well, Cubot Max 5 will get a global release on July 22nd with a price tag of $199. But don't worry, I have managed to get some extra discounts for you. With the discount, the final price will be around $170 to $180. Yeah, I have left all the links and information about all the discounts in the description box. Go ahead, check this budget-friendly gaming smartphone. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is